हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है प्रशांत और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं नेशनल यूनिटी, नेशन एंड नेशनलिज्म। यह क्लास 11 का रेनबो पार्ट 1 है। सो नेशनल यूनिटी, नेशन एंड नेशनलिज्म के लेखक थे जयप्रकाश नारायण। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी टॉक अबाउट जयप्रकाश नारायण। Jayaprakash Narayan, born in 1902, popularly called Lok Nayak, was one of the most prominent leader and thinker in modern India. He played a major role in the struggle of independence. His struggle continued even after the country achieved independence. He played a major role in the socialist and Sarvodaya movement, and finally in the movement against suppression of civil liberties 1974 to 1977, popularly known as the JP movement. In the extract from Jayaprakash Narayan selected works, Volume 2, JP explored the changing coordination of nation and nationality of different point of time. The meaning of nation and nationality depend heavily on the circumstances of the state and the structure of society. However, in an ultimate analysis, it means that the lower classes, the masses, should fight imperialism not to secure their own freedom from exploitation, but not to entrench the bourgeoisie and the landed magnates, who themselves do not participate in the fight. In the place of imperial power, the unity can be maintained only at the cost of mass consequences. So, let's start the national unity, nation and nationalism. Phrase 1. What is nationality unit? What is nation and what is nationalism? So let us compare two notable events of nationalist history, 1857 and 1851. There were only 28 years that separated these two events, yet they brought in incredible changes in national outlook. 1857 witnessed an open and armed struggle for sovereign power. 1885, an act of humble